tell for me mama kwam and then the aba be simple cry. And to the no I say a carrot am grated. So veg chopped ones and away a peas. Now vegetables no use your pebia. Well it there be a meme pet and I didn't know I say 2 cloves of garlic and I'm a great one a ginger and sunya kakadro. Meko we won't try with that. Minimally deal tree. Na eja dem bo wa dem bede enti anu so ye na pese me be try no so ye bi ba ka to taste dem mo mfa ne bebre anya se aduane ne nkoyi ana je ni so ame twetwe ni ana de wa ha sei tinkete so wa ho twetwa no size bi a pede but de ma woni se ni e de ba ye so when twa na nketo a yes and all the ya and shumi kina ubetuna isi sardine tuna bibia means me bibia be koyi ena de wa ha say cumin seeds so benya feka ho ba ye mu bebre wo lockdown ti se wunya mane ha na mu nya me adum ye bia na wa de wo de aka ho ena we nso curry powder na curry powder me use no madras curry powder wunya again use the wo bia so ba apete flavors no to say the vegetable na cumin no any madras ni bibia e be ma that distinct flavor into nya feka but say see awunya e mane house any maka and I wo ayin so wa parsley wa ha the be kakra ni di ye no be e de musa de koyi enti de no wa ha say I am rosemary and garlic oil yeah the link in the back was flavors in rosemary wo me the a tablespoon every tablespoon crab or cream and away a double cream a optional but me who saw the camera and my taste no a different level nti sa wo afeka unia again e mane house wo ye bia ye befa finger chillies no ye pe meko wo na meko we anu wo hye mesra nti no mesra su wo ho ne ma fe eja ye friend finger chillies nti no kitu e bi now day would you know say ya na wasa wo ya no would you know me say ye so no wa bi o would you know egu ntu di gu mu na no on a low heat a man when you now do garlic no ginger and swaka na nya sa me film ya kire mu a de wasa ya ni say where you know chicken no but more than so the garlic ni ginger no ebe chef wa hu na be si wa ma de ache eno no eboa ema nyame ya dum na se wo ya flavors no ba wo ye ni say ne kura so flavors no e wo mu kama and we say the other ni say si su si manwa after now de o chicken no raw chicken no the good na che say ene je ne garlic ni na ache no kama Jana ration, one ration and my flavors no a como brown. Ration. And to buy cumin seeds no. Cumin seeds by half a teaspoon na dia can. And to carry no so no madras and no na be so no me fa 2 teaspoon which is a tablespoon for now. So I'll need na you to taste. And here na sama. To me the madras curry powder no. Bako sanka so salt to taste ka wo ye bibia mesrew enche no empre wo hu anya no kitikiti so wa hu mesrewa omode asa wo nchin be nkakra
Wow.
And often I'm big finger chillies no ka hu nti fen shasi so na send them kind I know me pacho what the idea no wash I kitu we bi na wa bite in na a show on say the hair bibisa e ko yi enti no wa fesi soup bro me kusu e chance e mene but en rashija mesra wa en rashin yani bro enti na I kama kaka kore dem of veggies no I carrot na ma dice ni dia media no kumu sese And the chicken breast, and it's only chicken breast. I bet me it's chicken thighs. Chuchani kitty. On some young kitty, not being on person obey over cooking with chicken. That's how I dry a swamp. Yeah, and to say the other is double cream. The same kind of air optional. But they come one at demo a quite different level. Until I second. Wouldn't hear my name, I'm saying, you're not another question. Me patcho. Original, who hear me? A duano, me no one there, yes. Well, me bano our man for you to double cream, 2 tablespoons, and no never has it. My dear, come. It's weird. Dead. When for any more therefore. Then call ye. And today they say, yeah, we do, Jan. To double creaming, I'm there coming. Yay. Adriana, dear, Yekeko, and the end of this year. If I don't move,
amazing. Colors, no, I love it.
And the after I do peas, any grated carrots, or they become. So, where the uncle, I know what you go home. There, Koye. Auntie, Yenny say, yeah. Yenny say, Auntie, do one army tire when you see honor. If the fan send rat, nanken and one send me up a sergio. Oh, me parsley to win a yanapay, Yenny say, ya. Say, ya. I am magic fever cold, and tea, brodo, fabrodo be out there. Swam, I dear baby, you knew. And candy first now, after our best Samosa sheets near the announcer ube pastry. And Tibro the old baby, I bet me you wholemeal bread, a bay and a white loaf, meaning until a offer brodo be out now. Who be chicha in chain. Chicha chain, so I'm chain. Now chicha chain, I'm a patron too. Because so they buy breadcrumbs, how the bear recipe. So, two to try not to saw their share over now, bro. And now to say, be now, and we are not just so dear. It's a medical travel, me to try the account. Now, time was one more. So, until me and the same, say I'm the child, maybe shame, not as I know, maybe then one, maybe I told. Me oven not to 150 until on a low heat, not as a white, not as a nose where we. I'm too far bread now, so now they are 200, no for rolling pin. Now they are rolling as to say. Sure, easy, me say, wait, and yet kitty cry, say, yeah. Any, so I said, mine, make the pressure to so. So we have from more sunny so I decided why pastry sheet, sanet here. Now you be a crunch, what do you have to say? Until the more I say, you could see a yes, and a beauty thank you. So to taste kids webby, so baby, I will hear the and layer stage be a yeah, soon I do come away. Oh, now me see a demo. Hey, as I do, Jai, queen. And she say, me yankosia, incosia be you know me, and so. Then what the other bay be and one out the bubble one. Into me, and I know, say nothing, waffle or bread sheet in a salad, my friend. And too far, once I the open soy and it's a cone shape. And to be say, Anna. We're looking for so what they call a hanwa. May actually say be a son call her just what can't do. So until a baby to say cone shape until what they want found sunny yet may a easier mammy but so pay so you soup pastry brush. Feel free to do that. Send a debut can a wawa diania wahum into sunny a penny beer and why I maybe only send me any say now a easier mammy. I can't also say so I'm in so bra. Maybe a susu. So I'm not a baby a best fan. After found sunny shim, Pacho Moon.
But you
what don't sunny shim and who me? oh ya ne foforo na abeka sentare but nkosua no be ma na tare ho no ti miamia ni sei so na eto no mia so kakra sei ya nti wa benya kon ato
brilliant perfect
oh sa
yeah
mate nti ofa atre ba ko a ye we di abetumi akwa chili sisi na afi wa kan hye na wa hye
yummy where your party pal
jai
can't wait
and more therefore more here more report too and more therefore yeah na afi waka atoso na aka toso na so ahu fankosua ni bia no ana odi sili say ya enti o mpese obayi so nsa fa gloves na de me woni se o de gloves ne ya emiamia ne nkoyi nti feel free so ahu where we enti say ya no pia shi so say ne aye no pia so na fe fankosua no ebi efefa no so say o don sane ya che say e ma aduma ne yemre no ani say dos one we bi afiri me ho say mi pia no na waka ato say ya so enti de bi na me say ku ha say na yemben say bibia wo ya na wa season ne ka enti me fa me chicken seasoning no into Nibia call originalmamabetty.com and our shops are ya listen below our videos ni na so I'll bring you and take it to where be so to taste keep tarragon kakra wo turmeric wo bibia wo so kakra bi na de aka ho nti no na mix it way no again unya salt to taste kakra bi so keep to where be bibia wo ya not just one layer no with flavors and seasonings no salt benye bebre so aka ni nyina afra na waka afra bi no hwede me ba abayo shift ni nyina gu nchense ti pia bi gu ha sei so esa efa we na afi nti no fa o bread na wo de ato nkosua ni just and my na o de popo mo ya first one and say me yes temple let me say yeah not too much nti do my double layer no and fan bebre so ye na wo clean so bibia wo ye wa ho aduma ne de o ye ni a wo ye efin beba na nso no sa wo na onsa ne nam ho a sesia na wa wi
yeah that's
yes it. Come and do that so freeze here Mr. Parchment paper to baking tray so na a single layer we are a single layer ni we are no clean film na dey show freezer e ye dini we are no abeyi na dey go freezer bag so I sample nti de bia wo pe bia di no nya fe na be gina nti we say na me wie na mpese me extra me ye na me freeze ti me pa me fa mango a se air fryer so na pese di hye mu oven not just a queen. We rolling in advance, we only say ya, Urolia, no clear film, no airtight container. Into 2-3 days, cry. Maybe the chef mean Gina Menaso and Canyon Mambo, original in Nissa, a briny box. So I'm one done too far. Nanny, I would over-try this on Saturday, Nadia, to my asher on some myself. It's made me and son and lady kind at me. A coy, wash it, swam, wash it. Oh, she wouldn't say, what do you know? She swam and checora. You call brother Nabany, dear Shem Abney. Be here, number see a heaviano. Hi! Echo, yeah. Missy Abraham. Oh,
God bless you.
the smell in the house. Oh gosh, I can't even describe it. Abraham Ankasa. It's me the next three, no? Yes, I can. Oh, yeah, no, I show on some patch. Yeah, show on some. Check. Ah, yeah. Tea. Swam.
Yes, Mama.
Timoeni. Now, I said they are puffing up. I can't wait to try. The two way ya brother never couple of them. When the chicken are fat, sardine here, tuna, maybe here, a coy sir. Oh, what do you need for Sunny? I also we actually watching the same man, Mr. Yenny. Don't pen one more. Special air fryer and I said oven. A beco ye, sir. Never knows idea I check, and no one is them. Into the tribune wabba. Be tribune up bro. Tea. So, a queen. Go, why in the echo? Why they be in the noon?
Delish.
Be, Neshe. Wash it. It's so crunchy.
I mean, I'm so when you could see every crowd, she said, I no crowd, your best.
Hey, cameraman. I was young one. Make I shall my dear Neshe. And there was young one. Ready? Now I hope so over try recipe. So I will try out. Won't say when you bet your home. And I wrap me and I may have my better on your mother to be. Name subscribe here. Subscribe to the channel. Meaning say now there'll be no new man kitty baby. But the bring to the do an request. Come up, my